All right, so tonight we're going to talk about least common multiple, and that is the smallest number that both numbers go into. So stopping the video and in your journal, go ahead and write down what's on that slide. So we're still going to use the cake method for the least common multiple, and we do the exact same thing that we do with greatest common factor. So first thing I need to do is write my two numbers in the cake. So 4 and 10. And then I'm going to put my first layer of cake. Then the next thing I need to do is decide what goes into 4 and 10. Well, they're both even, so because they're both even, I know 2 will go into them. So 2 goes into 4 2 times, and 2 goes into 10 5 times. Now 5 and 2 can only be divisible by 1, so we're divided by 1. So that means I'm done. At this point, this is when I'm going to use all the numbers that are outside the cake. So when we did greatest common factor, we just used the 2. But with the least common multiple, we use all 3 numbers and we multiply them all together. So 2 times 2 is 4, and then 4 times 5 equals 20. So 20 is the least common multiple of 4 and 10. All right, go ahead and try this one, the least common multiple of 12 and 36. All right, hopefully that last one you were able to accomplish. Let's try this one together one more time. So find the least common multiple of 8 and 12. So again, that first thing I'm going to do is put my 8 and my 12 in my cake. And then because I know that they're even, I'm just going to start with 2. So 2 goes into 8 4 times, 2 goes into 12 6 times. I still have even numbers. So 2 goes into 4 2 times, 2 goes into 6 3 times. Now once again, when we did greatest common factor, we just used those 2 numbers. But when we do least common multiple, we use all the numbers on the outside of the cake. So everything that's on the outside we use. So 2 times 2 is 4. Times 2 is 8, times 3 is 24. And that is the least common multiple of 8 and 12. All right, last one for you. Try in your journal the least common multiple of 12 and 36.